Welcome, guys. Welcome to I Am Ready for Love with Canessa and Jerome. And today we have another interesting video to shoot. Yeah. So today we're going to see how best we know each other and also how best you know us. All right. So before we get into the video, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel. There are so many persons out there that are missing out on the important content that we cover on this channel. Tell somebody about I Am Ready for Love. Yeah man, text your friends, send them the link, send the channel link to them. Remember to like our video, share the video, but please subscribe them man. Yeah, watch your thing, just subscribe to the channel. And welcome again to the fam, First Lady.
Hi everybody.
Alright. So for today's video, what we'll be doing, we're just gonna talk some random things, like some things that we see that is common among ourselves, and we want to identify which one of us
likely to.
Yes, as I go, who's most likely to? Yeah. So that's the title. Who's most likely to do whatever? Right? So I'm gonna ask Anissa to start, and then if it's her, then I'll point under. I know if it's me, then I'll say her. Yeah, me. Alright? But just watch and see if we know each other good enough, which I do think, but see.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so my first one is, who is most likely to fall asleep during a movie? 1, 2, 3.
No, please set up that way. You can't start like that.
No, yes, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go first.
Alright, fine. Who is more?
As the movie starts, you hear him 2 times. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. You see by the time you look around?
No, talk the truth. You see, if it's an action movie, then me not sleep. Once if the movie take too long to pick up, then me not catch
I
up.
like movie where you have to think. Like, geez, no suspense, like, geez, and what go on. Like, it have to have action right through.
Action of you go on. Them time when me watch movie in the school, me come for relax my mind so I can work.
Like, geez.
Anyways, I am guilty of that. Alright. Who is most likely to get ready for church first? 3, 2, 1. No,
Don't
Carissa.
bother with it. Don't
You're
bother.
not ready for church first.
What do you mean?
Me normally ready first.
For which church?
Anyways, people, I don't know that was a woman ready for church.
Before me forgot church, if we up on my yard, and because you wake up soon, because you don't want to look bad, I wake up later people yard. That's the
Whatever.
only time you're ready before.
No, me normally ready before you still. How much time have you wait for you?
When?
Right. Okay.
When me there over your yard, how much time you wait for me forgot church? Please do tell, because I use as excuse.
I must say normally I fix up a hair or I do something. I mean, I must say,
The hair not take long to fix up. I'm not for do I go so I'm ready.
Whatever. We not say nothing for you. But we know some I still, but just as she so. Okay, your time.
Okay. Who is most likely um
2 hours later.
Alright. Who is most likely to go a week without showering?
Alright, if I'm be honest, me not do it, but knowing how she's there, she not gonna do it. So, other me, but me not do it though. That you're wicked though. I set me up kind of. I've never done nothing like that, but me know.
No, I'm not saying you
have.
It's who is most likely to. It's not who has. It's not never have I ever.
Okay.
It's who is most likely to.
Okay, it would be me, sadly. What you say?
Mr. You. Yes, they look like happy in Israel.
Alright.
That's nice.
Who is most likely to publicly defend each other? So you go out there, you say something bad about me, or me say something bad about you. Who is most likely to deal with the issue and spot publicly? Like, yeah, don't you dare, like, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
You know, answer. Oh. That him. Him more bold and barefaced than me. The more. Okay, like. So. Like.
Alright.
Okay. So. Who is most likely to be rich? 3, 2, 1.
People, she don't spend money. She don't spend money
That's
here.
what I mean.
You don't spend money?
I do. I just don't spend it carelessly.
Bank, Jane, Scotia, NCB need to come and ask her how saving is done. You understand? I think she has some tips can give them. Yeah. So she have to make it half rich. Alright. So who is most likely to go to bed without eating food?
Way I laugh both. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I would pass from this life.
Sleep over food. Right, true. Sleep over food.
I can't do that. Who is more expressive about their emotions? So who is more emotionally expressive? Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. She just look like, okay, alright. Sure. Love you. You too. I joke, I'm chill or something. We don't know YouTube business around here. Yeah, but it would be me.
It's so hard. Like, who talks
But
about feelings?
And people, to be honest, that shows that you're healthy. So don't feel no way about it. Emotional people. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying sometimes people have this concept to say that when you're emotional, you're soft, and you're this and you're that. No, it's an indication that you're dealing with things and not packing them up. You understand? So, ball if you no ball, so ball if you have a ball. Yeah.
Who is most likely to start a fight?
Don't hard.
That's supposed to mean?
No.
That's easy.
No way.
Yeah. But you most likely to do it though.
Why?
Because you're more than me.
Okay. Who is most likely to be devotions?
1.
3, 2, 1. When that your time, I made the date last night. Yeah, I made the date that
I
night.
don't have a problem doing it, but you
I
see,
know.
sentimental things and then something just weird. Like, I don't know. Can't do it. I do it if I have to, but he's most likely. Who is most likely to buy useless things?
I don't know.
Eh?
You.
Huh?
Yeah, you.
Please do
What's your
tell.
answer? You have 3/4 what you have you never use.
No.
That's the whole point of useless.
No, that's not the question. Useless things. Things they don't really need. They don't serve no purpose.
Me not buy things on a certain purpose. So who you say me?
Yeah.
Why you say me?
Because I buy things they don't need to buy at the moment.
At the moment, that means it's useless.
But you don't need it.
Futuristic.
So why you buy it?
I'm not gonna need it.
Wasting money.
Anyways, who is most likely to forgive? Is that one already? Who's most likely to forgive?
Gonna?
3, 2, 1.
In rub down a little bit now, but why? That's one.
Yeah, I'm not so bad. That's not like the bag of chan.
People
I
who
don't like
know
to be
him,
used.
comment down below. Comment down below.
I don't like to be used by people. As in being taken advantage of. That's my
Yeah, but
thing.
you can forgive and love them.
Yeah, I'm doing that now. But you have to come good, but I'm doing that. I'm working on it.
Okay. Who is more likely to snore in their sleep? 3, 2, 1.
I never hear myself. So I don't know.
But you never hear me, so.
Some I don't know. I never hear myself. Them say me, I don't know. You ever hear me?
You.
Smell the one they're coming on.
I changed it. Who is most likely to wear the other one's clothes?
Every man must know that I already like.
No,
Brother,
I'm
man.
not surprised by the answer here. Watch.
No! God, please, no! No!
3, 2, 1. Go then.
No, about the foolishness. Me need not laugh, I swear. Talk truth. I have never. You know answer?
The answer you.
Oh, me
People?
and me.
Me come home and joke.
Oh,
I mean, always that you include them.
I have never. I was grown properly, We don't do
That's
that
what I
stuff.
say. When a girl good.
No, it's okay for a woman to wear the man's clothes. When me don't want to put on a blouse, a skirt, like, what you going with? Like, why?
Me shocked.
No. Gens out there, don't do that. Alright, that's not masculine. Don't do that.
So, with me, it's not.
Don't.
masculine.
We are doing a female bottom or a female blouse. Like, no, don't do that. Alright?
Okay, guys, thank you for watching that video. It was short, but you know, have to keep drop a little niceness and then come off of the seriousness sometimes. Like the video so it can be recommended to other persons. Share the video so that other people can see it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. There's a lot more coming this week and next week and the week after that. We have a lot of videos that have already been filmed. They will just wait to like post them. And they get a little deep. So I want to start off with something light before we go into the deep. So, sir?
Yeah. I just want to tell you thanks for just being there, watching our videos. And I said we have a lot of videos coming up, some real life story, life-changing testimony. So we really want for you to tell somebody to come over to the channel and let them subscribe to the channel, because we really want you to be a part of the fam and for you to hear the testimony so that your life can be transformed. So thank you again for watching. Stay safe. Peace.